那么海的个可你我托地，让我女西克심판을来路。
Finally, we have reached Sapaikong, one of the well-known river in our village. So we are going to Lungshong, and from there we are going to Khangkhui. Yeah, it's all dusty.
Hey, look!
See, ooh, what? Oh, come on, say hi to. It's weekend, so we are just exploring out the places. Monday, let me show you the background. The river. You keep me sing with this shirt. Forgive me for that because this is my favorite. We love traveling by this camper. What is it? TI. So we are traveling by this. We'll keep updating. We have reached Nungshong village. This is Nungshong. Now we'll be heading towards Khangkhui and we'll be coming back to Nungshong to have dinner here. So keep watching, keep supporting. I'll show you my village view from Nungshong. That's our village. That's our village view from Nungshong. How is the journey?
Good!
Good. How is the journey?
Good!
Good. How about you? Good.
Good!
Good. Okay. Today we are. How is the journey? Good or bad? Go. Let's go. Let's keep moving. So we will be stopping here at Nungshong for a while before we head towards Khangkhui, and we'll be coming back here again. So finally back to Nungshong after so many years. After so many years. It's my best friend's house. He stayed in my village, but he built one small house in his village. When he visits his village, this is the place where he rests. Hello, we have reached the cave area. So this is Khangkhui cave. We'll be exploring out and showing you a few video clips. Stay tuned, keep watching. Marimba, Valila. Marimba, oh, speaker singer. Wow, tough guy. Zayan. Oh, come on, let's yeah, Klum. Let's go. Let's go. One whole cave. Let's check it out. Come. Whoa. This is one small cave. So, we're here in this small cave. We'll be exploring out the bigger cave. Oh, tăng không mang đi cọc sang đây. Need torchlight to explore out the cave because it's too dark, and without torchlight it's hard to see it. So we are carrying 2-3 torchlight now. They are going to explore out the small cave. The bigger one is the other side, so we'll be exploring out soon. Check it out. Good stuff. This hole leads to different cave, so we have to climb it up and explore it up. But it's risky because we're taking out kids, so we won't be climbing. We have to enter this hole. Let's see. Let's explore it out. Everybody has entered, and the last one. Wow. 저, Robert. Tell it, surely. It's dark out here. We need torchlight or candle to explore it. Oh, it's next level feeling. Oh, right. Oh, tell it. Wow. amazing. It's amazing. You still have to be careful. Oh, it's amazing. You should definitely explore it. Tiny hole. Oh, it's very tiny. Small hole. Without torchlight, without light. Need to explore as much as we can today. Because this kind of chance is very rare. This is the exit hole. It's very small. See, very small. Ah. Oh. 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 Oh, it's scary. It's nice. 맞아. 멍이지. 그치? 굴지 그다. 그치? 괜찮아. 브라인 초콜릿래. 머리 봐 그러. 서로. 그치다. 아이들 쌤 가불면서 굴절러가. 멍이지야 굴지야. 멍집냐. เป็ดอ่ะที่ก็ยังมีพ่อเอาขุดเจ้ามาเทล่ากันสักเลยโอ้จิล่ากันจิสารีละบ้าฟูร์ดเดรสมันขับตัวมึงกี่ก็let's go hole again actually I'm here yes we need to climb down here usually they used to keep one rope or one stick to climb it down but today there is no to climb it down and explore itจอดละIt's fun exploring. I believe it's 30 to 35 kilometers away from the Ukhrul town, so it's not that far. It's the road. It's not that bad, but during rainy season it's bad. Oh, this is my small sister. Like my daughter. Very pretty. Whatever.
Let's go.
Wow. So, hey, Saror. Are you tired? I think there is entrance this side as well. Let's see. Wow. Whoa. Ooh. Oh, amazing. Nature beauty is amazing. Nothing beats nature beauty. Just imagine. Just imagine. Whoa. So this is my team. Hey, boom, boom. It's nice. Let's go. It's dark. See? Wow. Today I am feeling really happy, excited to explore more. You should definitely come and visit if you come to Ukhrul, or if you get a chance to visit Ukhrul district. You should drop by this Khangkhui cave. It's just like I said, it's just 30 or 35 kilometer max, and you know there is no problem in transportation, but there will be a little bit dust. That's a part of village road. So please to come visit Ukhrul district and this Khangkhui cave. Oh. Whatever. There's one hole. Let's check it out. Wow, nice view, beautiful view. That's my sister. That's my sister's friend. We're exploring out. This is our team. Our locality Mahachon. My younger sister. This is the second younger sister. Yeah, this family outing, I should say. A kind of family outing. Not exactly. Finally, chốt nó là ba kare chỉ là cho thì chỉ là mask sinh mask là một khâu tốt đấy rồi ta lên là nó ở đây nhỉ cái trái cái sát liều chết rồi chốt cái này đi tuần sau luôn chốt phải cái ông họ ra sao cái sẽ ta có sẽ come on chỉ nó nói kia bông cái đấy nhiều nó nhiều cho nó thì exercise mang exercise sao cái sao rồi laziness has no room for our life yeah. So finally we are done exploring out few caves. Since a lot of kids are with us, we did not explore out the deeper cave because it's risky. You know, kids are there moreover. So this is done for today. We'll be just taking rest and we'll be heading back to Nungshong to have dinner or to have some rest out there. So it's really nice. Definitely I'll come back once more to explore out more the remaining cave. Wow, the view. Just see the view. Oh, forget about my face. I'll show you. Khangkhui village. That's the village. Khangkhui village. That's my village. Oh. It's risky, but it's worth exploring. You should definitely carry extra shirts, extra dresses if you're coming, because it's weird. So, how are you guys feeling? Tired?
We are fine.
We are fine.
Yes.
How is it? Happy or not happy?
Happy, but very scary.
Very scared.
Yeah.
Scary. Yeah.
Scary.
Because it's a big cave and it's very scary and dangerous. When you guys grow up, we'll come back again, huh? We'll explore all the cave. So now what are we going to do?
Eat shinju.
Eat shinju, chips.
Water. Water also.
So next week we will explore out different other places, huh?
Okay.
So we will be busy.
Tomorrow is Bahao.
Tomorrow we'll be going to Bahao.
Bahao.
Yeah,
No.
to
Tomorrow is Monday.
Tomorrow
Yes,
is
I know,
Monday.
but I will not go. I will go to.
It's okay.
I will go to Imphal.
Imphal. Where?
Lunghar.
Lunghar, you are going
Yes.
for boxing.
Yes.
Then Pilacham?
No.
Why?
I don't know.
Plastic.
Oh, he blessing.
저 빨리.
I don't want to go.
Cold cream sauce.
Go.
Here, Papa. Certainly. 나라질러 지 감과다. Good, good, good.
Không mà không mới hiểu mi bao bao lâu mi nào đấy
Mà bố mi thở trái nó hay xì đấy.
không có cái đó
Ja, das bin aber nicht das bin nicht. Das bin heim.
just me
Das bin nicht. We are. Muterion hemil. Apil hemil miya. Ni. We are da hay mios. Cái thầu na. Không mày hay chứ mà phá ra ta chỉ tầm bài ra mày đi. Wow. Now we are going back. Là châm. Oh, you come touch it. Miền là một thang, là một thang sétเลยcô. Vì một thang này ta. Number one. Oh, có Sofina. Aris lele. Hey, he's a hero gangster.
I'm not going
You're not going.
down night
You where are you going?
I'll go down night
Okay, okay. Be careful, okay?
okay
Oh, cái này bảo rất lên.
okay
Bằng gì vừa xíu lên. Vâng. Nên chế ba sát mì chứ. Đang sống đi tukan đi ở đó tao phải có xí mà bật là sáng nay nào chứ. Kita. Aram dah lah hier. Aram. Aram dah. Jayan, pila jam. Kali barak le. 저
干干。
간바제다 저지 키로기 지글이 짐팀
미미 진주.
दुकान संभांगे रही और किफ के चलो खेल रहे लगा शायद गुप्सा के बाशिन सामने या सनाओ rồi số nào khẩu li bấm được lên đấy cái sáng cái thủy lên mà thế là cái sữa cái này nó sống đi à là suy tiêu được lên đó bấm sao ta ăn cha sẽ đi được lên thì nào thế thôi cha hi mà mong mấy chỉ là cái mì chỉ mong sốt là hi hi bây li mà sai mấy mong mấy chỉ là ra chỉ bao chỉ là gì mà mong mấy chỉ là cái mày 됐지
됐지. 이다.
이드 자팔릴라 이드 저 자팔롱어고 Now we are heading towards our village Kampung Ukhrul. So see you, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe, it means a lot to us. Thank you, see you, thanks Ning Shong.